Bonjour et bienvenue en francophile. In today's video, we are learning l'impératif. L'impératif, that means imperative, the form you use to give command, instructions or advice. Don't worry, it's much easier than it sounds, and by the end of this video, you will be able to use it naturally. So, what is l'impératif? The imperative is used when you want to tell someone what to do, like eat your vegetables or listen carefully. In French, it's the same idea. Now let's learn how to form it. Well, we only use it with three forms. Tu, that means you, informal and singular. Nous, that means we, and vous, either formal or plural you. For tu, you just take the conjugated form of present tense and drop the subject pronoun. For example, tu parles becomes parle. You just say parle. Now let's pay attention. A very important detail. With tu form of er ending verb, you have to drop the final s. So instead of parles, parle, we will say parle without s, parle. But for the verbs that end with ir and re, you keep the s. For nous, again take the present tense and drop the pronoun. So nous mangeons becomes just mangeons. Let's eat. And for vous, same rule applies. Vous écoutez becomes écoutez. Listen. Now let's see some common imperatives you will hear. Écoute, écoute. Regardez, regardez. Allons-y, allons-y. Fais attention, fais attention. Soyez gentil, soyez gentil. Now let's learn its negative form. That means how to negate imperative. To make it negative, just wrap ne pas around the verb. Ne parle pas. Ne parle pas. Don't speak. Ne sortez pas. Ne sortez pas. Don't go out. So, l'impératif is very easy. No subject pronoun, just the verb in present tense for tu, nous and vous. Use it for commands, instructions and advice. A quick recap. Parle, parle. Mangeons, mangeons. Écoutez, écoutez. Ne bougez pas, ne bougez pas. And that's it. You have mastered the imperative. Try using it in your daily practice. Give yourself commands in French. Lis, souris, écris. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Francophile for more French made simple content and comment below your favorite imperative phrase. À bientôt!